Yo, what's up, guys? Today I want to work on this challenge on Codewars, Rot or Rot13, uh, which is a simple letter substitution cipher that replaces a letter with the letter 13 letters after it in the alphabet. And our job is to create a function that takes a string and returns the string ciphered with Rot13. And if there are any number or special characters, we'll just return them as they are. Okay. And we are not we cannot use encode, which is considered cheating. So I guess there's a built-in function to just encode to just do this by itself. So which is kind of cool. However, let's do this the hard way, right? So I actually have the alphabet here with me, and let's just do it alphabet equal okay, and this they give us some tests. So looks like if it's capital, if the letter is capitalized, it also returns the capitalized version of the input letter. So we have to take that into account as well. So basically what they're asking us is to cipher the letter by replacing it with the letter 13 letters, 13 places after it, after the input letter in the alphabet. So let's say alphabet, and okay, so can we do index A? Okay, so A would be 0, B would be, so we can use the function index, right? And then A, if we do index of A plus 13, we would get, oh, so I guess we have to do this as well. I have to do like this to get the letter N. So there are 26 letters in the alphabet, and the position is from 0 to 25, with 0 is A and 25 is Z. So if we do let's say M would be Z, and N, if we input N, it would go out of range of the index because N is at the 13 position in the alphabet, and if we add 13 to that, it will be 26, and there's no alphabet of 26 because the maximum number is 25. And if we and anything after N, from N to Z, would be out of range. So we have to take care of that problem. So if anything is greater than or equal to 13, it will loop back into to the beginning of the list. That's what I'm saying. So let's say if it's if N equal 13, if the index is 13, okay, so if we like this, then we would have to subtract 26 to get to the beginning of the list, which is position 0. So basically this is equal to, this will be equal to minus 13, right? So if n is, if the letter is O, it will be 1, position 1, which is B. So I think we have our conditional here, which is if the index of the letter is less than 13, we use the index. We will just add it to the, we would get the new the output by adding 13 to the index of the letter. If the index of the letter is greater than or equal to 13, we will subtract it, to subtract 13 from the index to get the index of the output letter. So it will go back to the beginning of the list. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't know if there's a better way to do this, but I think let's try it that way. What the hell? Let's just do it. So in this function, we have the variable alphabet, which is our, oh yes, we also have to because the capitalized version, yeah, so we just have to do it in the capitalized version as well. Okay, so this string would be the empty string that which is the output string. So every time we would loop in to the message, and then for I in, and then we append it or add it to the string, to the string variable, the letter that 13, that are 13 places after the letter in the alphabet. My god, this is so hard. Okay, hoping I'm doing okay. Holy crap. Okay, so for I in message, if I in alphabet, then we check the if alphabet dot index of I, if it less than 13, then we do, then what do? We just add it to the string. We add the alphabet of index plus 13. Is that what we said before? Plus 13? Yes. We add this is the index. We add the index and then use the lookup, index lookup, to get the 13 letters after the I in message. Okay, so if else, then we just do string plus we do this, but we subtract instead of. So if alphabet index is greater than or equal to 13, we subtract 13. Yep. So that is a string, and we have to handle the uppercase as well. So if I in alphabet dot uppercase dot upper, pretty much everything is the same. We just have to replace alphabet with alphabet upper. Okay. I don't know, maybe is there a better way to do this? Dot upper dot index. So this is okay, so this is for lower case, and this is for uppercase, and this is for number and others character, and we will just do L will just string plus equal I. Yes, that's what we do. Let's test it, and then of course we have to return string, which is the output string that we are looking for. Okay, so we've finished with this function, and I mean, it looks a bit intimidating, but let's just try it out and see if it works. Python. Okay, so looks like there's no error here. Let's do another Rot13, and it will return the original message. Let's try with capital Python. Nice. Do some number and some symbol, still the same. Okay, let's test it out with this. Awesome, passed all the tests. We did it. May not be the best solution, but that's what we got. Thanks for watching.